Hey guys, it's James. So, a lot of ups and downs. Lots of mistakes that I've made. I keep hoping, no matter how many times I tell myself not to, that this person she'll come around or something. Or that she will feel bad that I'm not there. Or that I'm hurting. She's keeps making plans with me just to break them. Have me waiting around all day. I mean, these are her ideas, you know. She comes up with these plans, texts me hours later and saying that she can't have nothing to do with me. Then what happens? I say, okay, I wish you the best. Then she continues to text me. After saying that she doesn't want to see me and that she can never see me again, the next morning she texts me early in the morning asking to take her for donuts. I was asleep, but now I realize if I would have answered it, she basically would have had me drive her, get her donuts, and drop her off, and that would have been it. Just a ride. This is driving me crazy. It hurts so much. It makes me so sad. I don't feel like myself anymore. I'm learning that I definitely have some codependency in me. So I have a lot of things that I need to improve. A little more of a support system around me would have been nice. All I know is that regardless of what kind of person that she is, it matters to me what kind of person I am. No matter how angry I want to be with her or hate her, I just can't do it. Whenever I speak to her, it feels like my dreams are flushed right down the toilet, like she's literally tearing them apart in front of me. I just feel so helpless. But this is what happens after you let them in. After you respond and try to play it nice. I thought I was happier with her sending me angry text and an occasional shitty phone call or something. I thought it was better than nothing at all. That's not the way to go. Anyways, if you're going through something similar, I want you to understand you're not the only one. And I genuinely care for everybody. So if there's something you want to discuss, please leave it in the comments. You want to offer support to another person, a story, We're all here for you. So, have a good day. A blessed night. Try to eat. Get some sleep tonight. And I'll see you.